This video presents a data scientist roadmap, outlining the essential skills, tools, and knowledge areas required to become a proficient data scientist. It organizes these topics into concentric layers, each representing a specific focus area. All right, let's dive into the layers explained. First up, we have mathematics and statistics, which form the core layer. Foundational concepts like probability theory, linear algebra, descriptive and inferential statistics, calculus, and hypothesis testing. These mathematical skills are essential for building models and understanding data behavior, so make sure you have a solid grasp of these fundamentals. Next, we move to Python, which is the second layer. Python programming fundamentals including libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn. Skills like data types, data visualization, control structures, and indexing optimization are highlighted. These tools and skills are crucial for data manipulation and analysis. Finally, we have SQL, which is the third layer. This covers database interaction skills, focusing on SQL basics like select, insert, delete, joins, subqueries, and query optimization. It emphasizes the importance of working with databases and managing large data sets efficiently. Mastering SQL is key to handling and querying data effectively. Data wrangling, the fourth layer, involves cleaning and transforming raw data. It also includes handling missing values and performing data normalization, merging, and joining. Data visualization, the fifth layer, involves using tools like Tableau, Power BI, Plotly, Seaborn, and others to create visual representations of data. It's all about highlighting the importance of storytelling with data for better insights. Machine learning, the sixth layer, covers key areas including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, clustering algorithms, model evaluation, and cross-validation. Specific algorithms like linear regression and logistic regression are also mentioned. Soft skills, the outermost layer, encompass critical non-technical skills such as problem-solving, communication, collaboration, adaptability, and storytelling with data. These are essential for professional success. This roadmap provides a structured learning path for aspiring data scientists, showing the progression from fundamental knowledge in mathematics to advanced concepts in machine learning and soft skills needed for working in the field.